We have to recover the Ark. The IMC are taking it to the fold weapon on board the Draconis. All ships, flank speed. We have to hit them hard and fast. Briggs out.
Copy that, 6-4 en route.
Woo! Here we come!
This is Captain Miaz at the Braxton. We'll provide a support platform.
Enemy squadron in sight. Lock archers. We've got the drop on them. Light them up.
Fox 2, Fox 2. Missile up the rail. Flash 1. Flash 2. Good hit. Good hit. Confirmed splash on all trail units.
We're coming up on a transport. Just burn past it. We have to catch the Draconis.
I got an unidentified bogey at 11 o'clock.
What the hell is that? Anyone got a clear visual?
It's too fast.
Airborne bogey acquired.
Visual clear. I've got good tone.
I got you, kid. Brace yourself.
Barker, nice of you to show up.
You're welcome.
Battleship Malta at 10 o'clock, guarding the Draconis. We can't get past it. Cooper, I need a pilot on board the Malta to secure the deck now.
Commander Briggs, this is Blackbird 6-4. We can get him there. PT, we need a fastball.
Copy that, 6-4. You can do this, Cooper.
Are you sure about this, BT?
Trust me. Good luck.
Welcome to the 6-4, Coop.
Cooper, listen up. We can't take you directly to the bridge. We'll never get past those guns. We'll drop you off at the stern and you'll have to work your way forward.
Contact left.
Cooper, I'm gonna get as close as I can without crashing. Time your jump. Now, go! Wait, I gotta pull away. Now, go! Wait, I gotta pull away. Hold on.
Nice jump! Cover you from out here, Coop. I've got an enemy touch! I'm in security down there now! Got a guy underneath the stairs.
They're around the corner. Watch your left side.
I'm going, cover me!
Room's clear.
Commander Briggs, this is the Braxton. Between the Malta's guns and that flying Titan, we're getting torn up here.
We're working on it. Just hang on. Cooper's en route to the Malta's main gun battery.
I don't know if that's gonna be enough.
Cooper, hurry.
The gun drive is ruptured. Abandoned ship.
We lost the Braxton. Stay the course.
firing. Take out the gunner and we'll help you with the last two.
Gun one is down.
Hostiles in sight. Cooper, stand by. The 6-4 are coming aboard. Cooper, stand by. The 6-4 are coming aboard.
There are still anti-air cannons active on the deck of the Malta. They must be disabled from the bridge before we can approach.
We're on it. Nice work, Coop.
Just doing my job.
This guy. Commander Briggs, we'll also need your help.
Copy that, Bear. On my way. The bridge is through that hangar over there. Any ideas? Briggs here. What do you need me to do?
Close the door and keep her steady. He's not thinking. No, wait a second. Follow me. I love this job. Well, it's never boring.
Just move your ass, Davis. We got the trouble.
6, prepare for 3 flight check. Report Alpha 2 Charlie, sending left gun now. They're behind us! Repeat, home friends, all security forces converge on the hangar level.
Get to cover! Visual! What the?
Up there.
Follow me. Come on, Coop. Keep up. Hold your fire. It's bulletproof. We're gonna breach the glass. Take your marks. Guy by the stairs. Tango on the mezzanine.
Shape charges are ready.
Hey, Coop, watch how the 6-4 does it. Pilot Cooper, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Breaching! Clear!
Clear!
That's how it's done! me. Cooper, get to the captain's console and disable the guns. Cooper, bypass that console. Kill the guns. Commander breaks and Malta is ours.
Copy that, 6-4. Cooper, you still have control of the bridge. Use your data knife to steer yourself right behind the Draconis. Barker, get BT back to Cooper.
You got it. On my way. Hold on, Tin Man.
All call signs. Clean up hostiles and rendezvous with the Draconis. This is it!
It's too low. Pull back on the stick.
Too low, Coop. Pull up.
That's it. You did it.
Use your Titan, Cooper. I'm done babysitting.
Ready to transfer control to pilot.
Cooper will cover you from the rear. Take the deck and get to the Draconis.
Voodoo 1, Viper's on station. Your journey ends here, pilot. The skies belong to me. Nowhere to run. Nowhere to hide. Tally, engaging bandit.
Flight 4 ready.
Regrouping. Flight 3. You hitched your last ride, son. This is your stop.
Flight core offline.
Amadai. Bandit at Angel 28. Viper 1 extending to re-engage. Target hit. Fox 8. Good tone. Fox 10.
Excessive damage. Warning. Flight 4 ready.
Man.
Flight 4 warning. Our reactor is unstable. Replacement battery required.
Viper's got you in the pipe. 5x5.
Warning. Our reactor is unstable. Replacement battery required. Flight 4 ready.
Target hit. Fox 8. Bandit hit. Moving in for the kill. Dodge this.
Excessive damage.
Bandit's got core. Break hard. Ship 2.
reactor is unstable. Replacement battery required. Warning, battery essential.
You need to move a little faster than that, son. Speed is life. Good tone, good tone. Fox 10.
Battery required.
Viper 1, taking cover. Raz 4 visual, .0923. Move in. Target hit, Fox 8. Regrouping. Prime 3, check right. Press dodge this. Viper 1 is hit, but still in the fight. You hitched your last ride, son. This is your stop. Let me introduce you to the ground.
Warning.
Viper 1 lost control. I'm losing control. Going down. Mayday, mayday, going down.
Briggs, this is BT-7274. Viper is down.
Copy that. Board the Draconis and secure the Ark. We'll prep for transfer.
Cooper, ready for fastball. Adjusting for wind resistance. Calculating.
I've lost the hatch. Need cover, need cover.
Cooper, aim for the cockpit.
BT, you okay?
Left arm severed. However, I'm still operational. This ship is rapidly losing altitude. It is up to us, Cooper.
BT, you okay?
Left arm severed. However, I am still operational. This ship is rapidly losing altitude. It is up to us, Cooper. Down here.
Please walk to the front to assist escape.
Watch out! There's a Titan!
We are approaching the Ark's containment unit. The containment unit is too large to carry. We must improvise. I cannot reach the Ark. Cooper, I need your help. Quickly, we need to get off the ship. We are running out of time. This way, Cooper.
What are you doing?
Protocol 3.
Get the Ark out of here!
Negative. We are trapped. I will not lose another pilot. Brace for impact.